Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to put your Chinese skills to the test and build a solid learning habit? Today, we've got a super fun and quick quiz for you. We're going to dive into 7 essential Chinese characters and words. It's a great way to check your memory and make these characters stick. Don't worry if you're just starting out. This is all about learning and having fun. Grab a piece of paper and a pen or just shout out the answers. Let's get started. Ready for question number 1? Here it is. What does the character Jia, pronounced Jia, mean? I'll give you a hint. It's a place where you feel most comfortable, and it's also about the people you love. Is it A, school, B, home or family, or C, park? Think about it. A place with a roof over your head. If you chose B, home or family, you are absolutely correct. Jia is a fundamental character representing both the physical house and the family within it. Great job. Let's move on to our second character. What is the meaning of Jiao, pronounced Jiao? This one is super common in introductions. Imagine you're meeting someone for the first time. Do you think it means A, to eat, B, to sleep, or C, to call, or to be called? For example, in the sentence, 我叫大卫, 我叫大卫, the answer is C, to call or to be called. So, 我叫大卫 means my name is David, or I am called David. Fantastic work if you got that one right. Okay, question 3 is up next. This is a word you'll use every single day. What does Jintian, pronounced Jintian, mean? Let's break it down. Tian means day. So does Jintian Jintian mean A, tomorrow, B, yesterday, or C, today? Take a moment. The correct answer is C, today. It's a combination of Jin, meaning the present or now, and Tian for day. So Jintian literally means the current day. You're doing great. Halfway there. Here comes question number 4. This one's a number. What does the character Ju, pronounced Ju, represent? Numbers are crucial, so let's see if you remember this one. Is it A, 6, B, 9, or C, 10? It sounds a bit like an English word for a long line of people. The answer is B, 9. That's right. Yi er san si wu liu ku ba ju. Ju is the number 9. Excellent. Let's keep the momentum going with question number 5. What is the meaning of the character Kai, pronounced Kai? This character has many meanings, but let's focus on 2 common ones. Think about what you do with a door or a car. Does it mean A, to close, B, to drive or to open, or C, to walk? If you chose B, to drive or to open, you are spot on. You can kai men, open the door, or kai che, drive a car. It also means to start. Awesome. 2 questions left. Question number 6 is about the character Kan, pronounced Kan. What action does kan describe? You're doing it right now with your screen. Does it mean A, to listen, B, to speak, or C, to look, watch, or read? This one should be straightforward. The correct answer is C. Kan is all about using your eyes, whether you're looking at something, watching a movie, or reading a book. For example, kanshu means to read a book. Brilliant. And now for our final question, number 7. This one is related to the last one. What does the word kanjian, pronounced kanjian, mean? Notice it has 2 characters. We already know kan means to look. So does kanjian mean A, to search for, B, to see, or C, to ignore? This one implies the result of looking. The correct answer is B, to see. Kan is the action of looking, while kanjian is the result. You successfully saw something. For example, 我看见你了. 我看见你了 means I see you. And that's a wrap. How did you do? Count up your correct answers. Whether you got all 7 right or just a few, you did an amazing job just by participating and practicing. The key to learning Chinese is consistency, and doing little quizzes like this can make a huge difference. Let us know your score in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this quiz and want more content like it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our next lesson. Thanks for learning with us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.